Hey, what's up guys? I got this mop for two main reasons. Number one is that I always thought it didn't make sense to mop your floors with dirty water. So this has the rinse compartment and the wring compartment that takes care of that. Number two is that they made it extremely hands-off. When you're ready to take this mop pad off, you just simply step on it and pull it off, and that's it. So it's super easy to keep clean, your hands stay clean, and I love that about it. Just a quick look at the tank itself. I know some people looking through the reviews had some complaints about that. That the size of the mop head itself is smaller than the original one, but the reason is because now you have an actual clean water rinse tank that takes space. So I had to make the mop head smaller in order to get the space for the tank. And here's how it works. So this side over here is where your fresh water will be. You just fill this hole up here. This entire thing is a tank. So you fill up this tank with clean water here. And when you need clean water to rinse your mop, you just pull this lever and water from the tank flows into this compartment. You can close it. You dip your mop in the clean water, and then you have this wringer thing over here. So how that works, I'll try to keep it tilted so you can see. There's just this pedal here on the side. So you push that pedal, so put your mop in there, push your pedal, and it wrings it out. So you can gauge how wet you want your mop to stay. If you want less water in it, bring it a little bit longer, and that's it. So, I mean, again, it's just super convenient, and I just feel like it's so much cleaner by the time I'm done with it. And again, it just keeps everything, like my hands clean, my floors clean, so I really love it.